Alright, let's just do a next day update. Today, maybe, I will start getting up on the back patio roof and putting the mounting system up there if I find time. After work, it just depends. The 200 watt panels have all been swapped for these 400 watt panels. And that's all I'm running right now is these 4 panels to the inside of the office, which is where we're going to go soon. And then the shed is built. And I got 2 panels sitting here. They're not at the best angle, but they'll definitely still get some production later in the day. But the roof, look, I'm already getting pretty much full sun. This is the best spot in the yard right now. I'm not even getting full sun over here. I don't get full sun because of all these trees until another hour from now. So right now, 4 panels, 4 wires running into my office down there. And let's go take a peek inside real quick. So I was off camera yesterday after I did the video testing that first feed to the computer. I went ahead, since I had no longer hooked up the solar to the EcoFlow, I went ahead and hooked up the solar to the charge controllers. All I did was I made some temporary MC4 connectors. There's a ferrule MC4 connector. The 4 solar panel feeds coming in from outside, I just wired them in series internally. So 2 panels put together going to this box, 2 panels put together going to that box, and as you can see, even in all of that shade, like terrible shade, getting about 100 watts from each pair, which is not a lot, but it's better than nothing. What I want to do soon, these are powerful enough that I don't need to run both boxes for 4 panels. Use one of these branch connectors and put it in parallel. And I want to see, with the discrepancy between 94 watts and 130, am I going to be losing power when I combine these together in parallel, or will they add up? So I'm going to test that in a little bit, see what happens to my power, because eventually these are going to have to be combined into one, because the second box will run the roof panels. At that point, there should be enough solar production to run everything in this office 24/7, because last night I let this run all night. So if I go into, let's see, right now I'm only at 7.5%. I've almost used the entire battery, but both EcoFlow units are at 100% charge off solar. And if you look at the data for the energy input, it's kind of interesting looking at the graph, because it literally shows it was receiving solar power all night long and they're fully charged. So I'll start pulling energy in as the sun comes up today. We'll see how much I can get that battery charged up to. But if 4 panels are doing this good, just imagine what 10 panels is going to be like. So I'm excited to get those other panels up. Again, flat, not tilted, so it's not going to be the best production, but over paneling is going to fix that issue. So that's it for now. Next is building stuff.